Many students get confused in these two, this and this. What is the difference between two? This is carbon monoxide and this is cobalt. Never ever combine these two. CO stands for carbon monoxide. Why? Because when you are in standard 9, you have you had read about the IUPAC nomenclature that every element starts with a capital letter, and if we combine two capital, then it will be a compound, not a element. Here it is capital, then here it's small. It is cobalt and here it is carbon. How to remember this? C. Cobalt, COBALT, C. Here we are writing capital C and small o, so it is cobalt always, and the rest second will be carbon monoxide.